I was not prepared for Kiswahili, but niongee Kizungu.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. We're here legally. We're here to present Honorable Sakaja before the Senate. The Senate has powers. They have directed Sakaja to be brought before the Senate. And through its powers, under Article 96 and Article 125 of the Constitution, the Senate has powers to summon anybody. So accordingly, they summoned the governor of Nairobi, but he never honored the summons. They went to the next step, and they've given a warrant of arrest. That warrant of arrest was given to the IG. It has come down to the DIG and to me. So we're here to present the governor of Nairobi before the Senate, so that he may have his day to answer questions of the Senate, which is a legal obligation under the Constitution, and we are mandated. The Senate directs the Inspector General of the National Police Service to execute that warrant. That's why we're here. We came here. He is privy to our presence. Yesterday, I'm aware he was told to appear today, but he never honored the same. So we're here. We came to look for him here, and we will not relent until we present him before the Senate.
Umegusa swali ambalo nilikuwa niulize, manake huyu ni gavana, ni mtu ambaye si raia tu wa kawaida. Kwa kabla ya kuja maafisa wa polisi ambao wamekuja hapa, mulijaribu kumpigia kumwambia kwamba anafaa kufika mbele ya maafisa wa polisi na pia mbele ya seneti, akasema nini? Na kwa kuwa hamjampata ofisini, manake hivyo ndivyo naelewa, mnaendelea kumtafuta usiku wa leo, mtaelekea nyumbani kwake, mtamtafuta kwa kiasi gani?
He's aware. He's aware. He's fully aware. You see, we have officers who are liaison officers here. The chief of staff, his chief of staff was contacted. He was informed. And the only honorable thing was to go to the Senate. So he has failed to do the same. So we look for him and do the needful. And it's the dignity of the office that he presents himself. You know, considering the office is occupying, there's no need for any further impunity. We need just him to comply and present himself before even we get him. But ours is to, as a law enforcement officer, is to take him before the Senate. And that we will do without fear or favor.
Lakini mbona mkasubiri jioni? Manake hii itamaanisha kwamba iwapo mtampata atalala ndani?
Not mambo ya kulala ndani. We have been looking for him and we never got him. So we are monitoring him. We never got him. And we got some information that he might be around. That's why you see us in the evening here. But we never got him in the morning. We never found him. So that's why you find us here. And we're still on it. Kazi jakusha. Jampeleka huko. So kazi